Meal preparation for weight loss. Meal preparation can be an effective strategy for weight loss. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you can have better control over your calorie intake and make healthier choices. Here's a method you can use for meal prepping to support weight loss. Number 1. Set your goals. Determine your weight loss goals and calculate your daily calorie needs. You can use online calculators or consult a healthcare professional to get an estimate. Number 2. Plan your meals. Create a meal plan for the week that includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Aim for balanced meals that include a mix of lean protein, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Plan for portion sizes that align with your calorie goals. Number 3. Make a shopping list. Based on your meal plan, make a list of all the ingredients you'll need for the week. This helps you stay organized and ensures you have everything on hand when it's time to cook. Number 4. Cook in bulk. Prepare large batches of your chosen recipes. This saves time and ensures you have enough meals to last throughout the week. Invest in quality food containers to store your meals safely. Number 5. Store properly. Store your prepared meals in the refrigerator or freezer, depending on how quickly you plan to consume them. Label each container with the date to keep track of freshness. Number 6. Snack preparation. Prepare healthy snacks, such as pre-cut fruits and vegetables, nuts, or yogurt, in individual portions. This makes it easier to grab a nutritious snack instead of reaching for unhealthy options. Remember, meal prepping is just one part of a weight loss journey. It's important to combine it with regular physical activity, proper hydration, and overall healthy lifestyle habits. Consulting with a registered dietitian or nutritionist can also provide personalized guidance and support. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.